Hello everyone, welcome to Sources classes. So in this video again we'll be continuing our discussion with respect to the questions pertaining to the SSCJ VA section. So what we'll be doing is basically we'll try and take a look at the section itself, and also we'll focus in this particular video a kind of question that is syllogisms in general. Okay, so what syllogism, sorry, basically clause test in general. So what we'll be doing is basically we'll take a look at the questions that have been asked, and also to try and understand the ideal approach that is needed for solving the same, so that whenever we come face to face with this kind of question, we are easily able to solve the same. Okay, so with that being said, let's focus on the question in front of us. In the following passage, some of the words have been left out. Read the passage carefully and choose the correct answer of each of the questions with 4 alternatives given filling the blanks. Okay, so let's go through the passage. Past dash us in understanding our present world in a dash better way. Okay, if we know dash our ancestors lived or dash the wars were reached, we can understand the today's world dash and get idea for a dash future. Okay, what appears to be dash as wrong today could have been right dash. It is also interesting to know how dash in the past and in the past dash the human life of humans. Okay, so now let's go through each and every blank option by option. Okay, past dash. So what in understanding? So what can past do in understanding? Past can basically helps us in understanding. Yes, this could be right, but helped us in understanding is the past tense. It's if we use help, it will simply mean past no longer helping us understanding the present world. Wrong. Help us is understanding wrong. The if there should be yes, the usage of the verb is wrong. Is helping us. Is helping is the present continuous tense. So we will not be using any continuous tense in this case. Simple present tense would be more than sufficient. So past helps us to understand our present world in a dash better way. What better way? In a most better way? No. Most better is just a wrong term. In a just better way? No. Just again does not make sense. In a more better way, better is already so more better, most better. The superlatives and comparative degree as far as better are invalid. So that's wrong. In a much better way, yes, this will be the correct choice. In a much better way. If we know dash our ancestor lives, so when our ancestors live, okay, one thing is no or dash the words. So when our ancestors lived, so we know they lived in the past. So in this context, when will not be a very suitable kind of a word, because it's not talking exactly about the time period on which they live, or rather how they live. So when will be wrong. Why our ancestors lived, that's totally absurd. Where again there's no mentioning about the place in general, so it's also wrong. How our ancestor lives, yes, the livelihood, the lifestyle and everything, the political and the economical scenario. So how our ancestor lives, yes, that would make sense. Or how on or dash how the wars were waged. So how again will be the right option in 68 as well. Which war will which the war, when the war, why the war was waged. Again doesn't know. We can understand the today's world best. No, best will not be the right word. In this case, it will be well. Today's word well. Well could also be an ideal word we could use. Betterment again is wrong. But if we compare well and better in today's world, better sounds right. Actually, it's a proper. It sounds in a proper way. So well will again not be used. Okay, and get ideas for a dash future. For a fairy future, no, fairies basically mythological beings, so it's again wrong. Fairer future means white future, wrong. Fairest means the whitest, wrong. Fair future means a neutral and a good future. So fair will be the right word. Okay. What appears to dash as wrong? Him. So who him? We are not specifically targeting this passage towards anyone. So him wrong. Them as wrong could have been them. So who's them? We are talking about the ancestors. But then again, it's talking them could be represent our ancestors. But today, our ancestors aren't really alive today, aren't they? So them is wrong. Us will be the right. What appears to they sounds wrong only. We cannot use they. So us. could have been right earliest. Earliest, no, earliest cannot be right. Early, could have been right early. No, again, could have been right earlier. Yes. The what we assume today as being wrong, it could have been right earlier. Means previously, in the previous generation or the previous period of time. Later is also does not make sense. It is also interesting to know how dash in the past adventures in the past what to say. Let's go through this is interesting to know how dash in the past dash the life of humans. Okay, adventures in the past. Okay, adventures in the past could be a probable answer, but definitely it's hard to say. Inventors in the past. Okay, it is just to know how inventors in the past. Okay, inventing in the past will be wrong, you know, and inventions in the past. Okay, inventions can be another answer. So wait, we aren't really sure which one to use. Let's read further. Dash the life of humans. Improvement the life of humans. Again, not improve the life of humans. Let's see. If you use inventors in the past, improve the life of humans. No, we cannot use adventures here. Adventure cannot improve the life of humans. That's wrong. Now, inventors and inventions. Okay. So what if you use inventors improves? Anyway, both these terms will be plural. So this is wrong and this is wrong. So improve will be one. Now, as far as inventors and inventions. So inventors cannot necessarily improve the life of human, but no, they do means they generate the inventions. But in a more practical term, inventions are the thing that improve the life of human. So inventions will be the right choice. Okay. So I hope this is clear to you how we solved each and every question and the explanation behind each and every one of this. So in case you are having any kind of doubt with respect to the approach, kindly go through the video multiple times and try to connect with the explanation we have given towards eliminating each option and selecting the other ones. Okay. So with that said, in case you want a detailed solution of the paper itself, feel free to connect with us. What you can do is basically you can go through the description section of the video. You'll find a bunch of details pertaining to connecting with us. You can connect with us on our website link provided. You can mail us on our IDs, or you can contact or WhatsApp us with the details being provided in the description section of the video. So feel free to connect with us on any of this medium. Okay. So having said that, in case you like the video, make sure you like, share, subscribe to the channel so that we can keep coming up with relevant content such as this. So in case you need any kind of guidance with respect to exam preparation or any kind of subject-wise doubt in general, we'll be more than happy to help you out with those as well. So having said that, we have come to the end of the video and we'll be continuing a discussion on this in the subsequent videos as well. So until then, I'm signing out. Thank you so much.